Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case that will be the new one to have a little bit more space to show you how you can do that. And now just by the way, so you can just slide with two fingers at the center at the same time, or just hold for a while your finger your screen with your fingers, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there, and here you can see all the available applications with which you can add the widget to your screen. For example, that come with the clock one. Here, as can you see, we got the 4 types of clock. For example, we can go with this one. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it, for example, here. You can change the size of the widget. You can make it bigger or smaller, and also we can move this widget here on the screen between the screens, and we can create the new screen with the widget. And if you want, for example, you can add one more widget here. For example, the calendar. Here, as can you see, we got the 4 types of the calendar. For example, we can add the calendar shadow, and by the same way we can also just change the size of the widgets. And if you want to just remove them, just hold it for a while and click here to remove. By the same way we can remove the second widget. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.